Welcome students, once again this is your Partho sir for you. Today we shall learn Java event handling in applet. Okay. In this example, as you know, init method is for the initialization. So I have created the objects for the butlet. Okay. Okay, at first try to run this code, save this one, and then this Java for the compilation. Okay, compiling perfectly. Then write down applet viewer, then okay, running perfectly. Now if you click this button, task, okay, in your text box you can write down anything you want. Okay, and obviously the desired thing is you need to have some name of your button. Okay, so that you could have an idea. Here say click, you can write anything here and click. Now the next desired thing is, if you click in your button, it must perform some tasks. For that you need to inherit one interfaces known as action listener. So write down implements action listener. Okay, now this action listener is available in the package java awt.event, the sub package of awt. So you need to import that package also. So write down dot event. Okay, this is for the event handling. Okay, now if you inherit the action listener interface, and that action listener method is known as action performed. Okay, so write down public void action performed. Say any name, say E, and you just write down if E dot get source occurred event is b1, then say I just want to enter some text into my text field. So write down t1 dot set text, say button clicked. The perform task is, if this is my b1 get source, my source is if my b1, then I shall put some text into my text field. Okay, so save this one. Okay, go there, try to run this. At first compile this event, then dot, save this, compile this. Okay, compiling perfectly, then run this. Okay, now look here very carefully. If you click in your button, it is performing some tasks, still not performing some tasks. So for that you need to at first register the corresponding button into the action listener. Okay, so come here and write down b1, write down here this. That's mean I have registering this b1 into the action listener, so that it can perform some tasks. Okay, so save this, go there again, you need to compile. Okay, now look here very carefully. if you click in your button, it's performing some tasks. Got, my dear? Just delete this. If you click in your button, it is performing some tasks. You might desire some another task, say you need to change some color of your applet. So in that case, create say another button, say B2, new button, say color. So this is my for the color changing. So add B2. So if my get source equal to B1, then I shall perform this task. Now if my get source equal to say B2, that's mean if I am clicking the button round, say set background, say color dot say red. Okay, so if my button B1 is pressed, I shall perform the task button clicked. If my button 2 is clicked, then I shall change the background of my applet. Okay, so save this, try to run this, compile, okay, then run. Okay, if you click in your first button, click, so it is performing the task. You are setting some text into your, so whenever you are clicking in your first button, the perform task is you are setting some text in your text box. Now look here very carefully. If you click in your second button, it is changing in your color of your background. Okay, so whenever you are clicking your second button, you are actually changing in your color. Okay, so add some text in the text box, and that of the second button is to change in your background color. Okay students, thank you for watching.